Are the southern states of India staring at another deluge? Is history about to repeat itself? A massive weather alert has been sounded for South India. The India Meteorological Department or IMD reported on November 17, 2025 that a low pressure system has formed over the Bay of Bengal. This system is intensifying and is predicted to bring extremely heavy rainfall to Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Andhra Pradesh and Kerala over the next 48 hours. Authorities have been placed on high alert and fishermen have been warned not to venture into the sea. This was the 1-minute short summary of this news report. For a detailed report, keep watching this report further. This low pressure system, currently centered over the southwest Bay of Bengal, is a familiar foe for this region, especially in the post-monsoon season. The IMD has noted that conditions are favorable for it to concentrate into a deep depression within the next 24 hours. The primary concern is the massive amount of moisture it holds, which is said to be dumped over coastal and interior districts. The memory of past tragedies looms large. May you all remember the 2015 Chennai floods which submerged the city for weeks and the catastrophic 2018 Kerala floods which led to hundreds of deaths and massive landslides. Those events, triggered by similar weather patterns, serve as a grim reminder of the region's vulnerability. In response to this November 17, 2025 warning, the state disaster management authorities for all 4 regions have been activated. In Tamil Nadu, control rooms have been set up in coastal districts and NDRF teams have been pre-positioned. The Kerala government has issued specific warning for hilly districts like Idukki and Wayanad, which are prone to landslides. In Andhra Pradesh, the focus is on coastal belt with authorities preparing evacuation shelters. Puducherry is also bracing for impact with emergency services on standby. IMD Director General Dr. Mrityunjay Mahapatra has urged citizens to follow official advisories and avoid panic. The main impact is expected to be widespread waterlogging in low-lying areas, disruption of traffic and potential damage to big structures. All fishermen have been ordered to return to the coast immediately. As this system moves closer, we will continue to bring you the latest updates.